Welcome back, friends. This next AWS service is called CloudWatch. CloudWatch is a very important AWS service because it is what allows you to monitor your resources and your applications in real time so that you can respond if something goes awry. I'm not saying that anything should go awry, but in case. So things like metrics, including your EC2 utilizations, your storage. You can also set custom metrics that you can define yourself based on, for example, your logs, right? So you can define the logic for what a unique visitor is and tether that to CloudWatch so that whenever there's a unique visitor, CloudWatch will update that metric. Something called CloudTrail, which essentially is keeping a ongoing record that you can choose to store or not of what's going on, how your API is being used, how your what kind of requests are coming to your service, and likewise these can be attached to CloudWatch in pretty much whatever way that you can think of. CloudWatch is also the main handle for setting alarms and auto responses. So remember we were talking about auto scaling. Well, auto scaling can get triggered by CloudWatch events. So if your CPU usage goes above 95% for more than 5 minutes, well, you can set that as an alarm and that will trigger the corresponding response that you want from your autoscaler. And the way that this happens is through any of these three things. As with everything, AWS provides three methodologies for accessing its services. One is the management console, the online management console. The other is the CLI for running scripts and such. And then the third is the SDK. So within your code, within your application, you can access CloudWatch and you can set triggers and whatnot from your code. So all this can be done dynamically and it's very flexible. And again, there's these dashboards that I'll actually try to post a picture of them here so that you can kind of get an idea of what kind of things you can watch in CloudWatch. And with that, let's move on to the next one.